Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we should check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. Open QCY application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the phone and with the application and turn on. Then the application open for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top. Then scroll down and you need to find at the bottom firmware update line. Firmware is the same as software, so tap at this line. It check for updates, it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you can update it. Now, the next step is to perform the software set. To perform the software set, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and then you need to open the charging case and check is it fixed. Also, sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically after you open the case. And if you have this problem, go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, tap at your earbuds. Now, if the software set didn't help you, we should perform the factory set. To perform the factory set, you need to also put both your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open it if you close it, and do not remove your earbuds. At the bottom, we have USB-C port. Near to the port, we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until you will see the red LED light. What blinking, meaning that it's performing the reset. So press and hold. First, it starts blinking white. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. And now we have red LED light. Now we can reconnect them with the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then click at the forget this device button, or you may have forget button or forget device or unpair or remove and forget device. Without it, if you try to reconnect your earbuds, on iOS it will ask you to remove them, and on Android it will show you connectional trouble. After you remove your earbuds, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button in the Bluetooth, tap at this button. After that, you will see your headphones at the device list. Tap on them, and we just reconnect them. Now, check. If the factory set didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, and fully charge your earbuds. And after that, check if the battery level the same, amazing. If the battery level different, I recommend it to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!